Hey guys, what's up? Boom! Oh yeah. I polished it up a little bit. Brown canvas Micarta handle scales. I've got 3/8 inch brass pins. Came out all right. But let's see how. She's roughly 4 3/8, roughly. Blade length is right around 2 inches. Got my Miller High Life. I got this D2 blank that I'm not really gonna do anything with. The ricasso and the plunge line's kind of off. I can't afford to get it heat treated, and if anybody wants it, I'll sell it to them cheap. It's around 10 inches. Blade length is roughly 5 3/8 inches long. But yeah, she's not heat treated. It's D2 steel. If anybody wants it, make me an offer. But yeah, I got this one pretty much sharpened up. I just threw a quick edge on it. But for the most part, you know, she's pretty sharp. And that might look like it's for decoration. You got the edge relief, and then you got another one right here. But what that is, I mean, it does look cool, but it's actually there for a purpose, you know, almost like a finger stop. I don't know if I'm gonna put jimping on this yet, but yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I'll probably sell this one too. I'm gonna try to fabricate a sheath for it, but if anybody's interested in this, let me know. Be around $40 to $50, considering that I spent a lot of time on it. It's not perfect, but it's well worth 40 or 50 bucks shipped. So yeah, PM me, make me an offer. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.